model kit reviews of the Porsche 944 Turbo, and this is a 1/24 scale model by Testors. This is an older model kit, and the box has definitely seen its day. 17.5 centimeters. You have a detachable hood and rear hatch, so we'll have a look at that, and some details about the car. It's a finished model kit there. That's a very nice picture of it. And once again, Testors always puts these nice pictures on the back to show you the model kit. Just an exceptional level of detail. Very nice model. So let's have a look inside. So first of all, here's our body, and it's fairly well molded. Do have some mold lines here that are easily felt. If they're easily felt, they will definitely show up when you paint them. And this hood can be removed. It's got some nice detail on this model. Here are our chrome wheels, and reasonably well molded. I don't like the chrome finish on this one. Here are our tires, and they're soft, and they've got some reasonably well molded rubber tread. And here we have some of our engine parts. This part's falling off already. Transmission, this is the transaxle. Our brakes. This is the front with a steering rack here. Looks like a radiator. And rear pan. This is our also suspension parts here. Here's our chassis. And it's got some nice detail there. Now here's our glass. This is the front. We'll need a bit of polishing up. It's been scratched up on the inside here. We have our lights. Looks like that one's broken off. We'll need to look for that one. And here's our rear glass with the diffuser. And some more engine parts here. Now here's our cockpit, reasonably well molded, and one of our seats. Here's another seat here. We've got our side mirrors. We've got our steering wheel with Porsche on there. We've got our drive shafts here. Here's our dashboard. We've got some engine parts, exhaust parts. Here's the exhaust with the muffler. Firewall, windshield wipers molded separately. That's always a good sign. Here's the backs of the seats, our center console, and on this side here you can see the insides of the doors. So that's all on that side. Here are our decals. Usually not a lot of decals with cars. And some details about the car. There's the parts listing. And we start off with the engine, transmission, suspension parts. Front suspension goes on. Exhaust parts go on. That's a pretty cool pad. Then we have the rest of the engine parts going on, as well as the wheels and radiator. The cockpit is then built. Next to build parts of the body, glass goes in, And that's all then mounted to the chassis with the body inside. And remaining body parts going on there. And the rear body parts going on, including the glass. So all in all, details are okay. Molding quality is reasonable. This is an older model kit, but that should be a good build.